Hi there, welcome back to another tutorials. In that class, we are just gonna learning about something really special trick in Adobe Photoshop. So if you have something angry images, so your client or anyone you want to make your angry images turn into like Hulk shade. So how to do that? So very first, how to color like Hulk. So you see the movie of She-Hulk, so something like that. So how to make any kind of images turn into like She-Hulk grade, color grade, like in Adobe Photoshop. So it's a very simple way. Like you have to take images. So what images you want to make, working on color on that. So when you have brush to see, you see this a little icon in there, and click in that, and you get an option that's a no color replacement tools. So what is that? That is color replacement tools. So just make it just a color replacement tools in here, and something like just in here you see this is the mode option. So just a mode option will be this will be like a hue saturation, but you have to choose the color option in here, and this limit will be the discontinuous and tolerance. Actually tolerance will be like this. So how many just color you want to put it on, that's a tolerance will work like that. So this is it. So very first you have to just make your layer copy. Just you can press the Ctrl+Z for the layer copy, and also you can press the Alt and then you can copy it. So like this. So you have very first you have to copy it, because if you need to fix it on before complete, so it will be really helpful for you. So don't forget to make your layer copies and select the duplicate layer. Just select the duplicate layer, and in here just select this is the color replacement tools. This is the known as color replacement tools, and also you can press the shortcut key of B, and like that. So just remember this mode will be color, and this limits will be discontinuous and tolerance. And always remember, so tolerance you can fix if you like. So I just make it, I just select every single area. So I make it tolerance like 100. So this is like that. So just very simple, you don't have to make it in any kind of copy thing or nothing like that. And this is really simple, and you see you can single grade, and you can see this is the phase grade. You also see that, so you don't have to make any kind of extraordinary effect for that. So it's a really very simple way. So you can make it like a one click. So rest is very simple, just work like that. So now that's complete. Okay, so very first we have to make it like a really good color without any kind of effect. Just like make it some brushes in here. And now done the question. So you have this, we have selected the layer, we are what we make, and then go to normal, and then you can make it like a little bit, multiply it bit darker and darker. Okay, so little bit the color, and boom. And you see this really look and really dark look, any kind of images. And don't forget, if you have the logos of this the She-Hulk, let me show you. So you can put it. So this is how you can make any kind of images turn into like Hulk shapes. So this is really simple and easy technique, and I hope you like the class. And if you think that's really worth your time, so don't forget to subscribe, because Expart have really great tutorials. So you might fall in love and you will learn a lot of things. So Adobe Photoshop, Adobe Animate, and a lot of many things you can find on this Expart. So what you're waiting for? Subscribe, family, and you can make this family bigger. So if you think that's worth your time, subscribe please. Thank you.